Okay, folks, continue on with the refurb here at the trailer in Parker, Arizona. As you can see, we're right riverfront, and as you've looked at the other videos, and if you haven't, go back to my YouTube and see where we started and where we ended here. So here we are now. This is like phase 6, and we've got the railings up and all the way down the side here. The roof is all sealed up, and we have the decking in, and I'm going to go ahead and stain, or not stain, I'm going to primer the wood, and then tomorrow we will be painting the deck and touching up all of these areas here where we did the final. So it'll just be a little detail. Also, we are working on the interior as well. We'll show you pictures of that. And then way in the back over there, that area, I'm going to have to make another project. As you can see, there's a bit of a drop off out there, and I kind of just stopped right where all the stuff is at. So when we get the deck all done, I'll go back in there, get that all done, and it'll be a wrap. I'd like to thank my brother Jim, who came up with the jig to make sure that all of these went in evenly spaced. He installed every one of these, and he drove all the way from Shiloh, Arizona, twice now, to give me a hand. And there he is, celebratory beer here in beautiful Parker. And I just want to say, Jim, I love you and thank you.
I love you too, Gary. My pleasure.